As part of Acklen Avenue Continuous Innovation, we have created a project which consists in a set of React components that can be used on future projects here at Acklen Avenue. In order to use this set of components, we just need to run the command npm install Acklen components. So this package has been developed during the innovation days to make it easier to develop React components in Acklen projects. We have worked during these innovation days as a team, and we have added a few components. For example, the Acklen button that Ricardo and Rene have worked, and as you can see in the screen, there are many styles and size that can be applied to a button. Also, we have the Acklen input. Edward and Douglas have worked in this component, and as you can see, we have the normal input, we have email, we have password, money, number, percentage. Kathy worked in a datetime picker where you can input dates and times. Myself, I work in a loading indicator that can be showed in a full screen mode, or you can show it as a single element. Ferenc worked in the Acklen table component, and as you can see, it will add, edit, or delete items from the table. Jacob worked in the Acklen search component. This is specific for React Native. Also, William helped us configuring the build guide, and Tere has helped us with the mockups. So here's the mockup from the Acklen components that Tere designed. Here's the repo for the Acklen components, and as you can see here in the source, we have added the button, the input, the datetime, the loading indicator. And let's see a demo. So the first one is the button component. As you can see, here's the normal, the Acklen, the warning, the danger, the custom design. We have the disable, we have the active, and the normal state. For the loading component, as you can see, we have many options. We can change the color, and we can show the loading in full screen. For the input component, we can see that we have the normal, we have the email with some validations, we have the password, the money with the currency symbol, the number, and the percentage. For the datetime component, we can see that we have the calendar, and also we have the time. As I mentioned before, we basically run the command npm install Acklen components, and it will be added to our dependency in the package JSON. So for example, the button component, we basically import from Acklen components, and we pass all the props needed for each component. Here's the Acklen button, here's the loading indicator with its props, here's the input component, and here's the datetime component. So thank you all for the amazing work during these innovation days.